One of the great things about being an internet sales manager, I am accessible 24 hours a day. If you do go on the website, you can fill out a contact form, and it comes right to me all hours of the night, and I will get back to you in regards to whatever your question is, or just an inquiry on a vehicle or some financing questions, certainly, and you can do that right on our website. I love this company. I mean, I love the Davidson family tremendously. I mean, it's just an amazing place to work, and I've flourished as a person. I mean, just in the short 7 months I've been here, I have, and I like the salespeople. They're very professional. They're very open to ideas, and they've really listened to me. And I've been able to work with them and their past customers and clients, which tells me a lot more about this company, that I get to speak to those people that have purchased here for some people 20-some years. They've been buying their cars from Davidson, and that speaks to all the things that I've already just picked up on my own, that this company, they're in to retain these customers. They make the customers happy, and they keep coming back for a reason. And, the salespeople that have been here a long time have their repeat customers, and I get to work with them, and that's great as well. I mean, it just says a lot for our company, our vehicles, and our service department, everything. I mean, it's true. It's just the way it is, and they are really nice people to do business with. I mean, that's the funniest part of it, is it's true. What's on their shirt is true. Again, I'm Kelly DeRosa. I'm the Internet Sales Manager here at Davidson's of Rome. You can contact me at 315-281-2142, or go on the website at davidsongmrome.com, and you can also email me at kellyd@davidsonautonet.com.